morning, dear students. This is our fourth lecture. We are going to complete our confusing words. Page 58 in your grammar book when you receive the books, but till you receive the books, it appears in front of you on the screen, so you can follow while listening to the explanation. Confusing words. Underline the words in parentheses that correctly completes the meaning of each sentence below. Sentence number 1. We will skip first or second, so we won't be late to the movie. Of course, I'm going to choose which word? The second word. Dessert means sweets. The sweets that you have after having the main course. After having the main course dish, you have your dessert. So we will skip dessert, the second word, so we won't be late to the movie. Sentence number 1. In my sewing first or second, we are making quilt squares. The quilt squares are decorative covers for a bed. Decorative covers for a bed. Of course, here I'm going to choose the second word in my sewing course. Second word, like classes. So I attended my English course, I attended my French course. I use the second word, which means classes. But the first word, which is not correct, means vulgar, rough. Sentence number 2. The city arts, we have 3 words here, is petitioning. Petitioning means demanding. The city for more funds. Funds means money. So I mean here, I'm talking about the city arts. Second word, council. The last 3 letters, C-I-L. The middle word is correct. The city arts council. What's the meaning of council? A group of chosen people to make decisions. Other words, we will deduce the meaning throughout the sentences. Sentence number 2, the correct word is the middle word, which means a group of chosen people to make decisions. Sentence number 3. The union president, first or second, worked as a forklift operator. I'm talking here about his previous job, so I'm going to use the second word, formerly. The last 4 letters, E-R-L-Y. So the second word is correct, which means previously. He previously worked as a forklift operator. Sentence number 4. Yesterday in shop class, I chose my next project. Of course, here I will choose the second word because I'm talking in the past simple. So I'll choose the verb placed in the past tense, chose. Sentence number 5. Most colleges have first or second word available to help students adjust to college life. Now here I'm talking about advisors who advise students to choose their suitable college life. Of course, I'm going to choose the second word. Counselors, the second word, it means advisors. Okay, advisors. Sentence number 6. Okay, sentence number 6. The French, we have 3 words here, in the United States, held a press conference. Here I'm talking about the position of one individual. So it's the first word, consul, like ambassador. Consul, ambassador. Okay, first word. Sentence number 7. The Sahara, of course from the beginning, once I heard the Sahara, I'm going to use the first word, desert, which is a huge area of land. The Sahara Desert is huge. It covers about, square miles. Alright, so I'll choose the first word. Sentence number 8. I meant to. First or second you on your eloquent speech. Of course, here I meant to praise you, to say that your speech was wonderful. So I will choose the second word, compliment, which is actually taken from French origin, compliment. Compliment means I'm praising you. I state that your speech is marvelous. The first word, which is not correct, means to complete. I'm not talking here about the sense of completion. I'm talking about praising. Okay? Sentence number 9. Which of your poems will you, first or second, as your contest entry? Okay? Entry means competition here. Of course, once I have the auxiliary verb will, so I'm going to choose the infinitive second word choose, because I have the auxiliary verb will. Second verb is correct. Sentence number 10. Of course, first or second, we will pick you up from the airport. That means certainly, surely, we will pick you up from the airport. Of course, we will choose the second word, which means of course means certainly. Sentence 11. Who would, space, first or second, a cute puppy like this one, said Josephine. First or second, of course I'm going to choose the first verb, which means who would leave. Who would leave such a nice puppy like this one? I'm not going to use the second word, which, as I told you, the sweets taken after the main course dish. I'll use the first word. The first word, it could be as a noun, it means a huge area of land. As a verb, it means leave. Sentence number 12. This evening, the mayor will, first or second, announce his intention to run for office again. Now here I'm talking about the mayor. I'm talking about formal situations, official situations. Of course, I'm going to choose the first word, formally. This evening, the mayor will formally announce. Formal announcement, formal uniform. I'm not talking about previous works or previous jobs or any previous event. I'm talking about something formal related to high positions, to certain kinds of uniform that should be worn, something formal. So the correct word in sentence number 12 is the first word. Sentence number 13. Sentence 13. The, first or second, pathway hurt the soles of my bare feet. I mean here that the pathway is rough. It was very hard. That's why it hurt my feet. Of course, I will choose the first word. Course, the first word, means hard, rough. Sentence 14. Bettina space was this. Prioritize homework and quit the part-time job. Prioritize means give importance to your homework. That means this is Bettina's advice. So which word here means advice? The second word. The second word means advice. So we will choose the second word. Sentence 14, the second word, it means advice. Her advice is to give importance to your homework and leave the part-time job. Sentence 15, star black. This is something that is placed on your complexion, on your skin. So star black does not complete your complexion. So we will choose the first or the second word. Correct choice is the second word, complement. Complement means complete. Now, as you have in mathematics, sorry for coughing, okay, complementary angles. Angles that complete the 90 degrees are called complementary angles. So here star black does not, second word is correct, complement your complexion. Number 16, I would like the fruit parfait for, of course here I'm talking about Sweetie thing, so of course I'm going to choose the second word, dessert. Second word. Number 17, as an elective, I signed up for, classes, attending classes, courses. Of course, I'm going to choose the second word. I signed up for a course in screenwriting. Sentence 18, will the first or second approach the bench? Directed Judge Jazar. So, of course, here I will choose the second word, which means advisors, counselors, advisors. In number 18, you will choose the second word, which means advisors. Sentence 19. When Clark fell ill, Polly, I'm talking in the past here. I have the first verb in the first part of the sentence. It's in the past, fell. So I will complete using the past tense because I have to follow the sequence of the tenses. So Polly chose. I'll choose the past simple. So first choice is correct. Polly chose. First word is correct. Polly chose Brent as a new partner for the Jew. Sentence 20. Given the situation, what would you space me to do? What would you advise me to do? I'll choose the second word. Counsel, the second verb, it means what would you advise me to do? Now, we've finished our fourth session. Thank you so much. Please follow with Mrs. Amin. Bye-bye.